What's up, y'all? It's your girl KDiani here, back with another video finally. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm going about doing feed-in straight back braids on my TWA hair. So I have my hair like plaited out in sections already, so I can just unravel them and then go ahead and feed in the braids. So I did do this one, just this one, to see if it was possible, and it is very much so possible. I am going to do a big chop update, so be on the lookout for that. So the hair I'm using is the Freetress braid, the 3x1, the natural texture. You know, it's already pre-stretched already. You can put it in hot water and everything. So in each of my sections I have 7 pieces, and they go from a smaller size to a bigger size because I do want my braid to be small and then gradually increase in size, but not too much. I didn't want my braids to be super thick. So we're gonna go ahead and start on the next one and just take my hair out. And if you see me looking past the mirrors, because the cameras, because the mirror is behind it and I need to be able to see. But this is all of my hair currently right now. Like, that's how much growth I have. So I am able to do a little something to my hair. So I am using a little bit of Braids in my hair, just a little, because the shining jam that I did use kind of like makes my hair really slippery and too soft. But I'm trying to aim to wear this hairstyle in for like a month as a protective style, and then, you know, just take care of it because I want to see how much growth I can get in. Okay, so now I'm going to start. And then I go in and I just slide one in under my index finger. Grab the next one, place it under my index finger, and I just keep braiding. Next piece. So it's like under my index finger and between my thumb. And I'll just keep adding. And then I just braid all the way down. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys one more time how I do it, and then I'm going to fast forward the last 3. So having your hair pre-sectioned already is gonna help you out a lot. That's probably the part that took me the longest. I hate parting my hair. It takes forever with anything. So I do 3 little sections, and then that's what I use to start my braid off. And one right underneath my index finger. Braid. Add the second piece under and braid. Next piece under, braid. And then you're just gonna braid all the way down. Okay, so far these are the first 3. I don't know if it look neat in the back because I can't see right now, but it feels good, and so far I'm proud of what I got. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I went on ahead and dipped my ends already. Now I'm gonna go on ahead and put some mousse in my hair. This is the mousse I'm gonna be using. It's the Nairobi Rapid Shine Foaming Lotion. So this is the final result. Put my mousse on it and I let it sit under the blow dryer for like only 5 to 10 minutes, not really long. And then now I'm gonna put my oil on my scalp. I'm gonna be using the Wild Growth hair oil. I'm just gonna put that all throughout my braids so that the oil can fall through. You always want to make sure your scalp is healthy. That about wraps up this video. If you guys like it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, don't forget to like, don't forget to share the video, and most of all, don't forget to turn on your post notification bells and hit that subscribe button. I messed up. Anyways, just so you guys know when I upload a new video, and until next time.